Hello, in this video I answer the question, how many buses can I analyze simultaneously on an MSO 58? The answer is basically how many channels do you have? I had, let's see, 7 passive probes and 1 8-channel digital probe at my disposal. And so what I've got going on here is a decode of a SPI bus, an I2C bus, a USB bus, an Ethernet bus, an audio I2S bus, and an RS-232 bus. We can see they're all decoded here. I'm triggering at the moment on the I2S bus, but if I just go into the trigger menu there, I can trigger on any one of those buses. I also have a search running on each one of these buses, so unlimited searches as well. Here I have a table showing me the decode for all my buses, so SPI, I2C, all the way through. And this table over here gives me my different search results. So I'm actually just going to take a single acquisition and I'll go through and show you what I've actually searched for. So search number 1, I'm searching for the SS active, and you can see I can search ladder data on the the SPI bus. On I2C, I can search through these parameters, USB, and this is a full speed signal I believe I'm looking at. Probing with 2 passive probes. I got a variety of options on my Ethernet bus, I2S, and RS-232. Okay, and closing that out, you can see I'm zoomed in over here near my trigger event. Actually, I'll throw that right on top of the trigger event. You can see I'm triggering right here. Going through, if I want to say, okay, what's going on with that USB bus, search number 3, I start hitting the table, and I can scroll through the different events that I'm searching on, and I've already forgotten what those events were. The sync command, and you can see here I've got 31 of those. So, yeah, really, if I had 8 of these logic probes here, 1 on each channel, giving me 64 total channels, I could decode and analyze a boatload of buses. Now that I've captured enough information to keep me busy, I can either do the analysis on my oscilloscope or take it offline and do it in TekScope software. So I've chosen the latter. So first thing I can do is I did save a session file with that information I captured, all those different buses. So let me load that up. All right, give me 1 second here. So there is my session file. Recall that. Okay, and as you can see, all my waveforms, decodes, the searches I had set up before, it all loads into the software. There's a lot that I don't care about at the moment. So what I can do now, I have all this information, so I can actually change up the searches a little bit. I'm going to choose the audio bus, which is down here, search number 5. So I initially did a word select search. Let's change that up. I'm going to do a data search. Let's do it only for the right. And let's say I want value 0.00003. And let's say I want to search when it's less than that value. So now we've got 60 events over here, indicated by these, I don't know, beige-ish carets up top. And then if I go in, start hitting these arrows, you can see, so here's a right channel 2, less than 3, that's what I'm looking for. Scroll through. You can see my search box is up here. And as I'm going through, it's zooming in on each of these events in my search table. My search results are up here, so that was bus 5 I was looking at. And if I want to get a better look, maybe pull this off to the side. That'll be a good spot. And you can see here is a table of the 60 events that I captured. And I could do the same thing to do additional analysis offline on any of these buses. If I had captured the data but didn't do the decode on the scope, I could set up the decode on the in the TekScope software itself. So it gives you a lot of flexibility just to capture a snapshot on your scope and then do some additional analysis offline. All right, I hope that was interesting. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and any questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you.